Why y'all ain't tell me to flip this calendar? Y'all been looking at December for the longest. It is January. Okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making chicken chow mein. Let's get started. I just had a lot of veggies in my fridge, so I was super excited to make this recipe. You have mushrooms, cabbage, green onions, carrots, bean sprouts, garlic, onion, celery.
Listen, we're covered here. We're gonna dump all this in this.
Our chicken for today will be Gardein. Of course, we do not need this teriyaki in here. We're done. We don't need you. Gonna dump it all into a bowl. And I'm gonna cover it with about a tablespoon of cornstarch. Let that mix all in there. Now we're adding a tablespoon of soy sauce. All right, now that our chicken is all coated, I'm gonna transfer it to our wok. Our wok is on medium. I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of sesame oil and our Gardein. Give that a little mix. This already smells bomb, already. Once these start to get a little tender, I'm gonna add in my veggies, starting with the hardest ones first. Half a cup of celery, this is about 2 stalks. A cup of cabbage. A cup of matchstick carrots.
I did not cut those myself, y'all.
1/2 tablespoon of fresh ground ginger. Well, not ground, but chopped. 2 tablespoons of chopped onion. These are rough amounts, guys. I'm just giving you a general measurement. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce. I know typically this is made with oyster sauce, but that is not vegan, so you gotta deal without it. Now adding in 1/2 tablespoon of garlic. 1/2 cup of baby Bella mushrooms. Again, I'm not doing a order per se. All I did was put in the hardest vegetables first. I want to break this chicken up, guys, because it's so big. So I'm gonna kind of just mushing our Gardein strips in half here. And of course you can make this a veggie chow mein and just leave out the meat substitute altogether. I'm now gonna add roughly a real rough
This is me on a bad hair day.
cup of bean sprouts. She looks a hot mess. Oh, she does. Last but not least, it's time for our noodles. Y'all, I looked for chow mein noodles. I went to 3 stores. I should have went to an Asian grocery market or a farmer's market. Could not find chow mein noodles to save my life. So let's add in our spaghetti noodles. I'm just gonna add this until I think that's enough. Go ahead and cut that off because everything is done cooking. Get y'all a piece, yes. Okay, let's plate her up and give her a taste. Hi, welcome to VoiceOver Erin. It's been a long time, nice to re-meet you guys. Anyway, my audio completely cut out, y'all. I did not plug in my mic, I am so sorry. Here I am trying the noodles, that is way too much on my fork. I'm saying I like it, I just really wish I would have had authentic chow mein noodles. The spaghetti was a little disappointing, but it is what it is. I definitely liked it. Okay, now we are to my taste testers. The sound is still garbage. Anyway, this is Mike and his lovely son, Payton. In a minute, Payton is going to disappear without giving his approval because he has to go pee. He didn't say anything. He just left. Yep, there he goes. Gotta go to the bathroom. Bye, y'all. So this is me and Mike chuckling about it, and here I come into the camera to take Payton's spot. So now Mike is gonna give his opinion. Oh, here I am introducing him. There is his Instagram. Please go follow and show some love. We are laughing and giggling. I think he is vegan and vegetarian if I'm not mistaken, but he does not like labels. I think that's what I'm saying right here. Yes, and eat what you want. Bam, nod your head, Erin. Go. Oh, he likes it. I'm doing my lame clap, and what was that? I'm asking him right now, has he ever had chicken chow mein? He said yes. He said it compares very nicely. He likes the flavors. Yeah, I don't know what else we're saying. No clue. All right, Payton is back. He is ready to taste and actually give his opinion, this time on camera. I'm very nervous. Kids tell the truth, and I'm like, oh, this is an Asian dish. It's not, hamburgers and hot dogs. So here we go. He's looking at it. Kids gotta approve. Yes, get all that pasta, Payton. Yes. I don't know what Mike is saying, but it's something very lovely. Okay, we're waiting on Payton. Wait for it. Yeah, oh, okay. Another lame clap. Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you every time.
As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.